LibertyID is a fully managed identity restoration service that recovers and restores your personal identity following a breach, theft, or fraud event. LibertyID is focused on personal and commercial restoration, as well as extender programs that include employee benefits, insurance coverage, and client services. Through LibertyID's comprehensive product portfolio, small, mid-size, and large employers, insurance carriers, mutual insurers, and reinsurers will benefit from increased cybersecurity resolution for their clients and employees. LibertyID has accelerated on the employee and insurance markets over the past 5 years, growing its already broad reach across multiple business sectors with a 10-year history of tens of thousands of cases. The process to join and subscribe is simple. Your broker agent or member of our business development team will do all the work. There's no enrollment, data sharing, or underwriting. We never collect the names of your employees or insureds. Once the service agreement is completed, you'll be given a group number. And when there's a problem, you call us. It is that straightforward. LibertyID's vision of creating a white glove model of services has always been the driver behind our vision. And today, with the explosion of fraud and cyber events, our services go beyond restoration of your identity. It's a peace of mind and financial wellness vision.